The word of wisdom of today is by Ben Sira from the Book of Wisdom. For the sake of profit, many sin, and the struggle for wealth blinds the eyes. A stake will be driven between fitted stones, and sin will be wedged in between buying and selling. Unless one holds fast to the fear of the Lord, with sudden swiftness will one's house be thrown down. When a sieve is shaken, the husks appear, so do people's faults when they speak. The furnace tests the potter's vessel. The test of a person is in conversation. The fruit of a tree shows the care it has had. So speech discloses the bent of a person's heart. Praise no one before he speaks, for it is then that people are tested. If you strive after justice, you will attain it and wear it like a splendid robe. Birds nest with their own kind, and honesty comes to those who work at it. A lion lies in wait for prey, so does sin for evildoers. The conversation of the godly is always wisdom, but the fool changes like the moon. Limit the time you spend among the stupid, but frequent the company of the thoughtful. The conversation of fools is offensive, and their laughter is wanton sin. Their oath-filled talk makes the hair stand on end, and their growls make one stop the ears. The wrangling of the proud ends in bloodshed, and their cursing is painful to hear. Whoever betrays a secret destroys confidence, and will never find a congenial friend. Cherish your friend, keep faith with him, but if you betray his secrets, do not go after him. For as one might kill another, you have killed your neighbor's friendship. Like a bird released from your hand, you have let your friend go and cannot recapture him. Do not go after him, for he is far away and has escaped like a gazelle from a snare. For a wound can be bandaged and an insult forgiven, but whoever betrays secrets does hopeless damage. Amen.